Okay, today we'll discuss how to calculate the premium for motor insurance, right? So for motor insurance is actually calculated based on motor tariff. Okay, what is tariff? Tariff is a list of fixed price. Let's see the definition for the tariff. Tariff is a list of fixed prices used to organize and control premium charges and wording of policies under the Insurance Act. Okay, so this one you must know. Tariff is actually a list of fixed prices used to organize and control premium charges and wording of policies under the Insurance Act. Okay, so insurance companies will add additional charges to the minimum premium, such as operating expenses, right? Or operating expenses, agent commissions, okay, agent commission, additional coverage, and others. So sometimes they will impose extra charges because of the agent commissions, additional coverage, and others. Alright, so that is the tariff. Okay, let's go back to the how to calculate premium for motor insurance. So it's actually based on the motor tariff that provides the minimum premium for the insurance coverage. This tariff regulated by law. Okay, it's regulated by law. Alright, so the amount of the premium depends on factors. There are many factors, such as type of vehicle and its usage, engine capacity, type and amount of coverage desired. So the premiums charged are different for each motor policy because due to too many factors, okay, such as type of vehicle, usage, engine capacity, and amount of coverage. So let's see the summary. Okay, so the Act policy, the third party policy, and comprehensive policy, and third party fire and theft policy. So in fact the premium rate is 75% of the comprehensive policy basic premium, and depending only on the engine capacity of the vehicle. And finally we have depending on the engine capacity and the market value of the vehicle when you want to insure it. Okay, so we have four types of policy. One is Act policy, third party policy, and third party fire and theft policy, and comprehensive policy. So for Act policy, it depends on the engine capacity and also third party policy. So for third party fire and theft policy, the premium rate is 75% of the comprehensive policy's basic premium. And then for comprehensive policy, depending on the engine capacity and the market value of the vehicle when you want to insure it, right? So let's go through the table below. Shows the premium rate under motor tariff for motor policies. For motor policies issued in Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak. So let's study the factors. We have different type of the engine capacity, right? So if the engine capacity not exceeding 1400 cc, then for Peninsular Malaysia, the comprehensive policy is 273.80. For third party policy is 120.60. This is around Peninsular Malaysia. Then how about for Sabah and Sarawak? Sabah and Sarawak for comprehensive policy is 196.20. It's cheaper compared to Peninsular Malaysia. And for the third party is much more cheaper, 67.50. Right? This is for the engine capacity not exceeding 1400 cc. Then the price will be increased when the engine capacity increase. As you see, when it is 1650, the comprehensive policy will be 305.50 cents. Okay, and for third party also increase. Same thing apply to Sabah and Sarawak. The price will go up as well. As you see, is 220 for comprehensive policy and 75.60 for third party. Okay, now let's study the engine capacity not exceeding 2200, right? So the comprehensive policy in Peninsular Malaysia is 339.10 cents. For third party, 151.20. And for Sabah and Sarawak, same, it will increase to 243.9, and for third party 85.20. So when the engine capacity increased to 3050, the comprehensive policy will be 372.60, and the third party will be 167.40. Okay, and then for Sabah and Sarawak will be 266.5 and 93.60. Okay, when the engine capacity increased to 4000 plus onwards, so you notice that the comprehensive policy will also increase to 400 plus, right? As you can see, for 100, the comprehensive policy will be 404. Okay, the third party will be 181.8. 4250 will be 436, and then the third party will be 196. 4400 will be 469.60, and the third party will be 212.40 for Peninsular Malaysia. For Sabah and Sarawak, okay, if the engine capacity exceed 4000, so for 4100 it will be 29 0 40 cent and 101 70 cent. For engine capacity exceed 4,250, it will be 313 for premium for comprehensive policy in Sabah and Sarawak, and it will be 110 and 10 for the third party policy. Okay, for 4400 it will be 336.9 and 118.20. For the engine capacity exceed 4400, the comprehensive policy will be 501.30, right? Which is much more expensive due to higher engine capacity. And then for third party will be 226.80 for Peninsular Malaysia, and for Sabah and Sarawak it will be 359.5 and 126.60. So for comprehensive policy, the rate charge is for first 1,000 of the sum insured. And this data is from the source of the Schedule of Motor Tariff 2015, right? So when you do calculation, you have to refer to the Schedule of Motor Tariff. So the formula to calculate the basic premium of the comprehensive policy, for Peninsular Malaysia, the basic premium is equal to rate of the first 1,000 plus 26 for each 1,000 part, therefore on value exceeding the first 1,000. Okay, for Sabah and Sarawak, the basic premium is equal to the rate for first 1,000 plus 20.30 ringgit Malaysia for each 1,000 for on value exceeding the first 1,000 ringgit Malaysia. In short, the premium for Peninsular Malaysia is much more expensive compared to Sabah and Sarawak. Okay, let's see the example 3. Encik Ramli owns and uses a Proton Azora 1.6. Okay, that is the engine capacity in Peninsular Malaysia. So the information of the car is as follows. The sum insured is 60,000, and age of the vehicle is 5 years. Engine capacity is 1,006. NCD is 25%. So you must know how to calculate the gross premium for Encik Ramli's car under the comprehensive policy. The third party fire and theft policy, and also the third party policy. Right, so how to do calculation? Solution. For comprehensive policy, let's see the comprehensive policy. For the first 1,000 is 305.50. This one you must refer to the tariff table. Let's see 1,600, right? Just now I show you the table is here 1650. Can you see that? Right, can. This one I highlight again. Okay, let me highlight 1650. is 305.50. So this one is fixed. You can read from the table. 305.50, refer to the table. And then for B, you have to take, for Peninsular Malaysia, is 26 ringgit for each 1,000. So 60,000. 60,000, that means we have to take 26 times 59. Why 59 and not 60? It's because you have to take 60,000 minus out 1,000, then divide by 1,000. So that is the figure that you need to multiply. So it's 26 times 59, so you get 1534 ringgit Malaysia. So the basic premium is you add the two, 305.5 plus 1534. Okay, it depends on the amount of the sum insured. All right. So after that, we have to calculate the NCD. Right. What is NCD? Do you know that what is NCD? Okay, let me explain to you for NCD. NCD is actually no claim discount. Okay? For no claim discount, we call it NCD. Okay, the clause will be issued if no claim is made against your policy. No claim within the period of coverage before the policy renewal. Alright, it also means that there is no accident. Okay, if there is no accident happen, so you don't have to claim the insurance, right, for that particular year. So as such, the premiums payable can be reduced. So if you never claim, so you can actually reduce your NCD eligibility. Okay, you can reduce it if you never claim for that particular year. But if you lost your entire NCD eligibility when a personal or third party claim, when there is a claim, that means you are not qualified. Okay, you lost the entire NCD eligibility when there is a personal or third party claims is made against your policy. Okay, it also means that there is an accident happen. Okay, so NCD eligibility depends on your vehicle's class and the number of years of continuous driving experience without claim. Okay, so that means if you seldom make an accident, so you are entitled for NCD, right? Okay, so this is good to make sure you are a good driver. So NCD is 25%. Okay, so 25% times the basic premium. Okay, 25 you times with the basic premium, so you will get 400 something, quite a lot of money, 459.88. So you can minus from your basic premium. That means it means that if there is no accident during that particular year, so the gross premium you pay is just 1379.62. So if you careful enough, you can save about 459.88. And for third party, how about for third party fire and theft policy? For basic premium is 1379.63, right? Okay, so because there is no accident, so minus the 459.88, you got 1379.63. And then you can also, the third party also can reduce if there is no claim, 25% of the 1379.63, you get 344.91. So the gross premium is 1034.72. How about for third party policy? For third party policy, basic premium is just 135. NCD 25%. 25% times the 135 is 33.75. So the gross premium is 135 minus 33.75. So it's quite cheap, right? However, the premiums payable may differ from the actual value, okay, of the premiums that the insurance company may charge, because there are additional charges which are payable by the policyholder, such as commission to the agent, service tax, and also stamp duty. Alright, so this is the exercise that you need to do. The table shows some of the benefit of personal accident insurance offered by Sharikat RST, Sharikat Insurance RST. So the benefit are accidental death, total and permanent disability. Permanent disability. So the total coverage is 100,000 for accident death. For total and permanent disability is 200,000, and permanent disability is 150,000. So annual premium is based on occupation, 364 for class 1 and class 2, and for class 3 is 1065.40. Class 1 is occupation in low risk, okay, low risk industry, and class 2 is non-manual work and semi-hazardous industry, and class 3 is manual works and tools of machinery. So in your opinion, what makes the premium for class 3 occupation higher than class 1 and class 2? So you have to explain your answer. Alright, so for question number 2, the table below shows the annual premium rate for per 1,000 face value for a renewable life insurance offered by the insurance company. So the table shows the male and female and non-smoker and smoker, alright, and the age. When the age increase from 27 to 30, the non-smoker remain 2.12 for male. For smoker, it will be increased from 2.72 to 2.79, and for female is just 1.18 increase to 1.23, and for smoker it will increase from 1.40 to 1.46. Based on the face value of 120,000, calculate the premium for a 29 years old man who smokes and a 29 years old man who smokes and a 29 years old man who does not smoke. Okay, you have to calculate the annual premium, and you have to calculate the annual premium for a 30 years old woman who smokes and a 30 years old woman who does not smoke. So you must know how to calculate the annual premium for the woman and for the men. Okay, then question number 3 is about Inche Jakri stays in Peninsular Malaysia. Okay, you have to calculate the gross premium, okay, for the insurance. He wants to buy a motor insurance policy, and the following is the information regarding the vehicles he wants to insure. So the amount of money insured 85,000. Age of the vehicle is 6 years, and engine capacity is 2494. NCD is 30%. Calculate the gross premium for the comprehensive policy for the third party and the theft policy. Okay, and also third party policy based on the schedule of motor. Please try first before we discuss in our next lesson. That's all. Bye bye and have a nice day.